It's the latter half of the year 2004. You're building a custom home that has this beautiful 3-car garage with 8-foot tall doors. This house has all the latest features and innovations that you could ask for, from your HVAC, electrical, plumbing, to just the design of the home and the materials used. You wanted top-of-the-line products, so you hired a door company that installs CHI and Chamberlain LiftMaster. You came from a house that was built in the 80s that had a very noisy overhead door opener that you were sick and tired of hearing in that house, and you were glad to get out of that house. So you selected a product that you wanted that was nice and quiet. It was the LiftMaster 2280R, made in 2004 at the very end. 12 of 04 to be exact. It has Security Plus technology, non-yellowing light lenses that are hinged, with higher amount of ventilation with larger holes in it. It came with Security Plus rolling code technology with a 973 LM. It was a Formula 1 belt drive. It runs it as a whisper, quiet machine. Your neighbors are envious because they've got 2265 chain drives that are noisy, but you have to tell them that they're still a great product because they're a LiftMaster. Here we have the model 2280R. Let me tell you what it sounds like from late 2004. Let's listen up, shall we? You're so glad that all you can hear is a whisper instead of that loud buzz that came from your old opener from your old house. You're very satisfied with your new home because you've selected high-end products to construct your home. What a beautiful machine it is. Built to run for years to come. Yes, indeed, we're looking at the LiftMaster Model 2280R from 12 of 04. In my collection, that is new old stock, but sat in a barn for many years in the package, and so there are some defects in the cosmetics of this machine. So it was listed as not new when I bought it on eBay, but it is brand new. It's never been mounted mechanically. It's brand new. Yes, original from 2004, if I can get my hand to work here. 973 LM, and yes, the original, if I can get my hand to function, 78 LM from 04. Anyway, just thought I'd make an interesting video of the model 2280R non-267 machine from 2004. Enjoy it.